Hello dear students, good morning to all. Today we are going to start the fourth chapter of agriculture geography, that is agricultural regionalization. In this chapter we have to see various methods which are developed by various scientists and particularly agricultural scientists, and which are these we have to see one by one. First method of crop combination technique is developed by Weavers. J.C. Weaver was the scientist who has developed crop combination technique in the agricultural regionalization. As we know that there is a variety of crops in the field, and at what number we can do the combination of the crop, that formula has been developed by Weaver, and how he has developed this formula we have to see. So let us see Weaver's method. So what is Weaver's method? Weaver determined the number of crops in crop combination by using mean square deviation or variance. Means what? He measured the variance of leading crop from ideal model of 100% and two leading crops, or from an ideal split of 50% each, and so far as many crops has occurred. As we know that in the same field we can grow various crops as like sugarcane, grapes, vegetables, food grains, fodder, and many more. But at what amount we can produce or we can grow the many crops, or how many crops can be grow combinedly, that method or that technique is called as combination method, which is developed by Weaver. So let us see how he has developed. The number of crops giving the least variance indicated the number of crops in the combination. Means what? Suppose if we are taking 10 crops in the same field, but up to the 7 only there is a increasing value, and at the 8th there is a decreased value, then the combination of that field or crop combination of that field is 7, because 7 is the least variance. While this formula could be used to compare aerial units to see which one or one's best fit a selected model of a given numbers of components. So let us see how or which distribution table has been used by Weaver to calculate the crop combination method. This is the gross cropped area, which is 100%, and this is the type of crop combination. What this table indicates? This table indicates that suppose if we are taking only one crop, not more than one, that is called as monoculture, and that the percentage of that one crop is 100%. But if we can grow two crops as like vegetables and sugarcane, then that is a two culture combination, and which occupies 50% each, 50% of vegetable and 50% of sugarcane. This is called as two culture crop combination. As like similarly we just divide it by 2, so calculation is 50%. We just divide it by 3, 33.33%, third culture, 25, fourth culture, 20, fifth culture, 16.66, sixth culture, 14.28%, seventh culture, 12.15%, eighth culture, 11.11%, ninth culture, and last one is 10%, that is 10th culture. Means how many crops we can grow at a time in the same field, that is called as crop combination, or that will decide the monoculture or two culture or third culture or three culture. Got it? So this distribution table has been developed by J.C. Weaver for his calculation, and how he has used this table we have to see. This is the example for our understanding. Identify the crop combination method by applying Weaver's method. These are the crops which are grown in the field, and this is the area under cropping cultivation in percentage. As we know that the percentage of cultivation or cropping cultivation is varied according to the size of the farm, according to the physiography, according to the interest of the farmer, according to the season, and many more. So Jawar is having 23.9, and similarly there is a variation, and overall this is the overall percentage of these all crops is 100%. So whenever we have this data with us, then we can calculate how many crops can be combinedly grown. So let us see. So first of all, we have to give the ranking of the same, how which crop is ranked first and which crop is ranked second according to the area under crop. So cotton ranks first because it occupies 30.3, and that's why ranking is first. Jawar ranking second, 23.92. So accordingly we can give the ranking of each and every crop according to area under crop. Okay. So 1, 2, 3 as up to the ninth. So let us see next. Next, whatever the formula he has developed, that is shown over here. One crop combination 100, which is the whole field, minus first, whatever the first crop is occupied 30.3%, and we are dividing it by 1 because only one crop is growing over there, making the square of this and divided by 1. So calculation is 4858.09. So that is one crop combination. Next to that, if we use same formula for two crop combination but divide it by 2, and this figure is changed. Two crop combination 50 minus 30.3 of whole square of the whole plus 50 minus 23.09 square of the whole and divided by 2. So calculation is over here 534.65. Next one is three crop combination. Similarly 33.33 minus 30.3, which is the area under crop, which is of third crop combination, and if we got 108 calculation. Four crop combination, similarly 25 over here and 30.3 square according to the first crop, second crop, third crop and fourth crop, because we are calculating fourth crop combination, and the calculation is 39.7075. Okay. Next is five crop combination. Again similarly 20 minus 30.3 square of the circle, and we got the calculation 71.584. Okay, so over here we come to know that up to the 5 we can calculate, because fourth crop combination is 39. It is the least variance among all these calculation. If we see all the combination, then we come to know first crop combination or one crop combination is 4858, next crop combination is 534, next one is 108, next one is 39, that is four crop combination is 39, and the last one is 71. So 39.7075, this calculation is the least variance, and that's why in this field we have, or we can grow four crop combinedly, so that this field have four crop combination. And now we have to see the conclusion of the same. The variance of four crop combination is smallest. That is the reason designated four crop combination is cotton, jawar, wheat and sugarcane. So this is the very simple technique and simple method so far calculation of crop combination is concerned. So this is all about the crop combination which is put forth by the J.C. Weaver. So today we stop here. Thank you. Thank you very much.